Welcome to Agri Today, your favorite show for all the agriculture-related news and facts. This is Charu bringing you the latest developments from the field of agriculture. Today we are going to have an in-depth analysis on how NAIP, or the National Agriculture Innovation Platform, has impacted the agriculture sector in the recent years. But before that, the headlines. Business Planning and Development Units, or BPDs, set up under the National Agricultural Innovation Project, becoming an innovative institution system in Indian agricultural scenario, fostering agribusiness, innovation and technology commercialization, the major focus of these BPDs, says Dr. Darupaneni Ramarao, National Director, NAIP. Appreciation for the role of Agribusiness Incubation Program of ICRISAT in mentoring and hand-holding all the 22 BPDs across the country. Over 1,200 entrepreneurs have set up businesses and more than 2 lakh farmers benefited through these 22 BPDs, primarily handheld by ABI program of ICRISAT. The innovative institutional platform of BPDs impacts the livelihoods of millions of farmers and hundreds of entrepreneurs. 58 agro-technologies commercialized and 80 MOUs exchanged in one day. The Agri-Tech Investors Meet organized by NAIP in collaboration with ICRISAT turns out to be a unique technology commercialization platform. DGICAR talks exclusively to Agri Today on the future of BPDs and the new networks across the country. Let us now look into the top stories in detail. Business Planning and Development Units, or BPDs, set up under the National Agriculture Innovation Project, becoming an innovative institutional system in the Indian agricultural scenario. NAIP, a World Bank-aided project of ICAR, was initiated for the sustainable transformation of Indian agriculture through collaborative development and application of agricultural innovations through many initiatives by public-private partnership. The Indian Council of Agricultural Research is the apex body of the Government of India for coordinating, guiding and managing research and education in agriculture in the entire country. With 99 ICAR institutes and 53 agricultural universities spread across the country, this is one of the largest national agricultural systems in the world. Business Planning and Development Units are set up in ICAR's research institutes and state agricultural universities to bring a change in the national agricultural research system through an innovative scheme which will inculcate innovation and enhance agribusiness development through innovation and entrepreneurship development. These BPDs provide business services, financing, people connectivity and infrastructure that aims to start up and accelerate the growth of agribusinesses. 22 BPDs are spread across the country, promoting agripreneurs with the help of vast R&D facilities, resources and knowledge available in the national agricultural system. We had a chance to talk exclusively to Dr. S. Ayappan, DG, ICAR.
Agriculture is full of challenges and opportunities. We have also gaps in extension systems, and there are immense requirements to bring innovations into our research. In this context, we have a major offer from the Indian Council of Agricultural Research through the National Agricultural Innovation Project in the form of a network of Indian agro-business incubators.
Indian Agricultural Research Institute is a premier agricultural research organization which has also set up a BPD and is the winner of NIABI 2012 award for the best agribusiness incubator in the country. TNAU's Agri-Business Incubator, or BPD unit, has incubated more than 50 ventures and commercialized 11 technologies. They are the winners of the NIABI 2011 Best Agribusiness Incubator in the country. Fostering agribusiness and technology commercialization is the major focus of BPDs, says Dr. Darupaneni Ramarao, National Director, NAIP, in an exclusive interview with Agri Today.
The major focus of BPDs is to commercialize technologies developed in the NARS institutions and also develop entrepreneurship with youth. A number of youth are coming forward and looking for challenging opportunities. The NARS technologies that are being developed are tested and are also assessed for the risk. The BPDs will be able to encourage these small and medium enterprises and the entrepreneurs that are coming from the peri-urban areas, rural areas, into the agribusiness sector.
The Agribusiness Incubation Program of ICRISAT is highly appreciated for its efforts in mentoring and hand-holding all the 22 BPDs across the country. The awards they have received stand as a testimony to all the hard work put in to handhold and mentor the NAIP BPDs. The Agribusiness Incubation Program is a part of Agribusiness and Innovation Platform at the International Crops Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropics. Joining us is the DG ICRISAT, Sir William D. Dar, from his office to add more on this subject. Thank you for joining us on Agri Today, sir. It's a pleasure to have you with us. So please tell us, how is ABI ICRISAT handholding the NAIP BPDs?
ABI is handholding 22 business planning and development units established under the National Agricultural Innovation Project of Indian Council for Agricultural Research, spread across India. ABI provides an array of business support and services to its entrepreneurs to make them successful.
Dr. Kiran Sharma, CEO of AIP ICRISAT, joins us to share his views on the BPDs.
As a result of this intervention, the success rate of the BPDs has been very high. This initiative has been very helpful in creating an ecosystem for promoting entrepreneurship as well as helping the innovators.
Thank you, sir. Earlier today, we spoke to Mr. Karuppan Chetty, who is the CEO of ABI program.
In a short span of 4 years' time, 1,200 entrepreneurs has been promoted across the country through this 22 BPD units. 300 technologies has been commercialized. They have generated around 24 crores of revenue with 70 crores of investment, which is a marvelous success in terms of encouraging innovation and entrepreneurship in the country.
We also spoke to Dr. Vyas, PI of BPD Anand Agricultural University, a part of NAIP BPD network.
The basic concept of business incubator has been learned from ABI, and with their frequent help as and when required at Anand Agriculture University to promote our business incubator activity has been received from ABI ICRISAT staff members.
The innovative institution platform of BPDs impacts the livelihoods of millions of farmers and hundreds of entrepreneurs. The Agri Today team caught up with a few of these people who have been impacted by the BPDs. Let's hear what they had to say.
मैं हरियाणा करनाल से हूँ और मैं एक फिश फार्मर हूँ। मैंने अपने ज़मीन में 27 एकड़ में मछली का बीज पैदा करने की हैचरी लगाई हुई है। पहले जब मैंने काम शुरू किया था 1983 में, तो सिर्फ नॉर्थ इंडिया में पहला फार्मर था जो मछली के काम में आया था। अब उसको देख के जितने भी किसान थे जो पढ़े लिखे नवयुवक थे, तो वो मुझे देख करके उन्होंने भी जितने भी गांव के अंदर छोटे तालाब बड़े तालाब जो थे वे पट्टे पे लिए और उसमें मछली पालने का काम उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया है।
The main reason we got in touch with IHR, and IHR was quite helpful in explaining the whole thing to us, including the wonderful opportunity of having incubation in their own center.
I am a non-exclusive licensee holder of ginger and turmeric varieties developed by Indian Institute of Spices Research Center.
I am from the company called Saman Foods. We are into millet cookies manufacturing. We are manufacturing and marketing these cookies in various places in South India. Now we are scaling up into other markets and new states as much as possible.
First time in the history of Indian agriculture, the Agritech Investors Meet saw more than 98 B2B meetings and the commercialization of 58 agro-technologies and exchange of 80 MOUs in one day. The event was organized by NAIP in collaboration with ICRISAT New Delhi on the 19th of July 2013. This was a unique technology commercialization platform that showcased more than 70 ready-to-commercialize agro-technologies from different sectors of agriculture. The meet was presided by Dr. K. Kasturi Rangan, Member, Science Planning Commission, Government of India, along with Dr. S. Ayappan, DG, ICAR, Dr. William Dar, DG, ICRISAT, and Dr. D. Ramarao, ND, NAIP. Over the years, NIABI has successfully organized a number of events to bring together the farming community, agri-specialists and agri-service providers into one pavilion. We have a special roundup on the various events of NIABI. That's all we have for you in this edition of Agri Today. We'll get back to you soon with the next edition. Till then, this is Charu signing off.